I'm Jared from Solar Tops. Who's Solar Tops? I'm glad you asked. Solar Tops is the Valley's leader in residential solar since 2009. Now, I'm not saying we're the best solar company in Arizona, but they are. Do you like sending hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars to SRP and APS every month? Do you also like stepping on Legos in your bare feet? We're a local, family-owned solar company right here in the Valley that can help you take those liberating, Lego-free steps to energy independence. This is Chris. Chris, where are you from?
Tempe.
That's right, he is. When you call Solar Tops, you talk to a real, live, human person. This is the office of Sean and Tony. They're with our sales team. Sean, Tony, what are you doing?
Sales!
That's right, they are. At Solar Tops, we get to know you. We ask about your energy goals, your hopes, your dreams. We want to hear about that year you went backpacking through Europe to find yourself, and your dog Sparky, who went to live on the farm upstate. Then they design a state-of-the-art solar system catered specifically for you. This office, Cedric and Garoff, some of our very own in-house engineers. Guys, what are you doing?
Engineering!
That's right, they are. At Solar Tops, we only use the highest quality products. Bolts, brackets, nuts, inverters, main breaker, meter load center combination. Oh, and of course, solar panels. Each one with their very own microinverter that allows us to monitor every single panel we install, making sure they're operating at the efficiency of a world-class athlete who may or may not be on performance-enhancing drugs. They are. Just ask Mike from Buckeye.
Solar Tops turned out to be the best deal. You know, very good equipment that we have up on the rooftop.
Or Neil from Gilbert.
I would certainly highly recommend solar to anyone, but I would also recommend Solar Tops as a provider.
We don't use a bunch of contractors like other solar companies. We handle everything in-house. Everything from soup to nuts. Tomato bisque. I don't know if you heard, but we get a lot of sun here in the Valley. Start making that big ball of hot gas in the sky work for you, and stop sending your hard-earned money to those big balls of hot gas at the power company. Click that link or give us a call for a free, no-hassle estimate from Solar Tops. And we mean it. We're not gonna be chasing you down or stalking you like those other solar companies, or that ex from college you're afraid to tell your wife about. Whether it's with us or someone else, we just wanna make sure that you're getting the best deal, the best equipment, and the best service on your way to energy independence. Because you like that, right? Independence? Because independence is what America is all about.